Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're gonna do the unboxing of the latest offering from Realme in India, the Realme U1. So Realme has had a great success in India with the Realme 1, the Realme 2. The Realme 2 Pro was one of the best smartphones in this price segment, and then came the Realme C1. Now we have the Realme U1. So this is a new series by Realme in India, and this is more of a selfie-centric smartphone with a 25 megapixel AI selfie camera. And this also has a lot of great aspects, including the powerful P70 octa-core chipset. It's a global debut for the P70 octa-core chipset, and this also comes with the water drop notch, and this is again a selfie-centric smartphone with a dual camera. So now we have the U1 with us. So this is the new box package. You can see that Realme has had a new logo. So this is the new Realme logo. So this is the new box packing of the Realme U1, and only the phone name is mentioned, nothing else is mentioned here. You can see that this is a 4 plus 64 gigabyte storage variant, and this is black color, and there are three colors available: the black, the gold, and the blue variant. So we have the black variant. So this is the 464 storage variant. So let's get started with unboxing, and we'll then show you the options and features of the Realme U1. So opening up the box. So that's the Realme U1. So let's take this out of the box. So there you go. So you can see the new box packing also looks refreshing, because this is the new logo which has been implemented to this. So you can see that this comes with a case included. So that's the case which is included with the box package, which looks quite good. Then we have the quick start guide included. So everything is mentioned. So all the major options are included here. It also comes with a triple slot, so you can use two SIM cards and a dedicated SD card along with the device. So that's quite good. Then you get a SIM ejector pin included. Then let's see the device now. So taking this out. So that's the Realme U1. So let's take this out of this case. So there you go. So that's the Realme U1. We have the black variant. Looks really nice in terms of the build quality, fit and finish, and you can see that the back panel looks really nice, and the design aspect looks pretty good. We have the dual camera setup, then fingerprint scanner, and we have the power button on the right side. The left side houses the SIM tray and the volume rocker keys. The top panel does not have any openings or slots. The bottom section has the micro USB charging slot, the speaker unit, and the 3.5mm audio jack. And you can see the fingerprint scanner on the back panel along with the dual camera. So you can see the water drop notch, and this is a 25 megapixel selfie camera also included. So we'll come back to the device. We'll see what else comes inside the box package. We also get an adapter. So this is the adapter rating is 5 volt 2 ampere, and finally you also get the charging cable. So it's a USB charging cable, micro USB charging, and data syncing cable. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have a look at the device. So that's the Realme U1. You can see that it comes with a 6.3 inches full HD plus resolution display, and it also comes with a water drop or dew drop notch, and it has 19.5:9 aspect ratio with 90.8% percentage screen to body ratio. That's pretty good for this price segment. And you can see that the new color OS is kind of refreshed and feels really nice with the new icons and layout. And we'll also have a look at the other features. So looking at the build quality, fit and finish, you can see that this is the light pillar design what the company claims. So you can see that when light falls on the back panel, it has a really nice pattern. It is made of 13 layers of micro level coating, which gives it a good feel altogether. So that's the design and looks of the Realme U1. Now let's talk about the software. So you can see that the new UI, new icons rather, looks pretty good. And let's go to the about phone. So we have the ColorOS version 5.2. So that's the new ColorOS version. Android is 8.1. It's a P70 octa-core chipset, 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. So 47.9 GB storage available out of the box, and Android security patch level is from October. So that's the Realme U1. So looks pretty good in terms of the software and features. And talking about the Helio P70, this is a new chipset, and this is the global debut for the P70. It has 4 cores Cortex A73 and 4 cores Cortex A53, making it really powerful and more efficient than the P60. So on the camera front, this has a dual camera setup. It has a 13 and 2 megapixel rear camera, and the selfie camera is something which is really great. It is 25 megapixel AI selfie camera, and the selfie camera is having Sony IMX576 sensor, which is one of the really good sensors available, and it should give you pretty good selfie. So we'll talk about the camera in detail. We will just open the camera interface. So the camera interface remains the same what we have seen on the Realme 2 Pro as well. So we have the slow motion video, portrait mode, and other options included. So let's go to the video recording. So video recording is available maximum at 1080p resolution. That's quite good. And we'll also talk about the camera in depth. So here are some samples we have taken with this device. So this device has a pretty good camera in our first impressions, and we'll also be talking about the camera in detail in our camera review, so stay tuned for that. The device also comes with a 3500 mAh capacity battery, which should be quite good enough for almost like more than a day of battery life. We have seen the same capacity battery even on the Realme 2 Pro as well. So that's the Realme U1. It's a pretty good package overall with a good selfie camera. It's an AI selfie camera. The new water drop display with almost 90.8 percentage screen to body ratio. It has the Helio P70 octa-core chipset, and it comes in two variants: 3GB RAM, 32GB storage, and 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. And it also has 3 colors to offer. We have the black variant. There is also blue variant as well as gold being offered. So we'll get to know the pricing of this device once it is officially announced. So the device definitely looks pretty good in terms of first impressions. We'll be coming up with more videos, so stay tuned for that. So this is Nirmal signing off with unboxing and hands-on with the Realme U1. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.